analysis. So we're starting with the XAU USD as usual. In daily time for XAU USD, as you can see, it made this reversal down on. I said the last time it has been on a buy. This was as I said last week. So the buy is going to continue. More buys are happening here, and there is no clear entry for now. So just be patient with XAU USD for the meantime. On GBP JPY, if you check the daily time frame, you can see it's trying to reverse a bit to this point, then a buy will start happening from this line there. So more sales are happening on GBP JPY, but no entry for now. So just be patient and we'll see how the week goes. On Euro USD daily time frame, see daily time frame, it just respected this and making a reversal down already. So if you check the 1 hour, there have not been any proper change of character yet, except this change of character that happened. And this is going to be like a confirmation. If markets retest the order block and keep going down, we're going to look for the next break of structure to use as our entry. This is the other block is going to test. So now next is the GBP USD. On GBP USD, as you can see on the GBP USD, as you can see in the daily time frame, market has been buying the whole time, but it's kind of making a reversal to this point, and the buy will continue. So if you see on the 4 hours, you can see more sell is happening already. Sell is already activated, just like the GBP USD. So this is going to be a change of character. If it respects this zone, then the next break of structure, we'll look for entry from here. And if you go lower to the 15 minutes, you can see it's still waiting for that zone to be respected. So let's be patient and see what happens. AUD check the daily time frame for AUD more buy has been happening on this pair lately. Just keep buying on this pair. So this is a church that break of structure that happened here on 1 hour. So market should come respect this. If we respect this and give another break of structure, then we can look for a sell from this. But for now, there is nothing on this pair for now. Just buy is happening. So let's see how it goes. On NZD JPY, check the daily time frame. You can see more buys are happening here, except it's going to be a reversal to this point, and the buy will continue. If you check the 4 hours, you can see a bit of little sell happening. Then if you check the 1 hour as well, just keep selling a bit to respect that zone that I just pointed out. So if you look on the 15 minutes, you're going to see there is no entry for now. On Euro GBP, if you check the daily time frame for Euro GBP, this market has been buying to buy to this point and a sell will start happening. So if you check on the 4 hours, more buys happening. 1 hour as well, more buys. If you see the 15 minutes, more buys, but there's no clear entry for now. On CAD JPY, if you check the daily time frame, you can see more buys are happening. Market just expected this. I don't know where I got this. Let me check the 4 hours if that was where I got this. Yeah, that was where I got this from. Other block on 4 hours. So you should look for break of structure from 15 minutes. This is a change of character yet, so let's just wait for it to respect here. And another break of structure is going to give us a sell, upper sell from there. On daily time frame for GBP CHF, if you check the 4 hours, the daily time frame, you can see market has been buying the whole time. 4 hours, more buys happening on 4 hours as well. On the 1 hour chart, there's more buy happening, so let's just keep waiting to get a proper entry on that. On AED USD daily time frame, you can see more buys happening. On the 1 hour 4 hours as well, more buys, no clear entry. This is just Monday, so the market should look a bit scattered due to the Iraq and US ship. So you can see the distance here. This is just where the market opened from. So trying to fill up this point and keep moving to proper direction it should be. Check the daily time frame for AED card. You can see more buys are happening. This is where it came to retest this and more buys have been activated. So let's see how the week goes for all these pairs we are looking at. On USD JPY daily time frame, if you see the daily time frame, you can see it's kind of ranging at this point. If you check the 4 hours, just keep ranging and there is no proper structure yet. On the 1 hour, same thing happening, like more like a break of structure yet, going to respected this already and trying to sell from here. But if you come down to 15 minutes, there has not been a change of character properly on this. If you check the USD card, on the USD card daily time frame, check the daily time frame, you can see market just respected this and kind of dumping already. So if you check the 4 hours, more sales happening, but no clear entry. On 1 hour as well, more sales happening, but it has not given any entry yet. So just be patient and see what happens. On CHF JPY, check the CHF JPY daily time frame, you can see Still giving a clear structure on the daily time frame, but on the weekly time frame, it seems more like buy is happening. If you come down to the 4 hours, you can see more buy is happening here, kind of making a reversal a bit to some destination. This is a change of character that happened at this point, so it may not respect this, which means it might break out of this and keep going up. On Euro card, if you check the Euro card, if you see the daily time frame, market not respect this other block. Instead they broke out of it. So you should look for more buys to happen at that point instead of to sell from there, which you should be waiting for. You check the card CHF, and the card CHF daily time frame. Take the daily time frame, you can see markets trying to reverse to this point and start buying. So you check the 4 hours, you can see it's making a bit of a move there before it pushed down to this point. So if you're looking out for this point on 4 hours, if market gets to this point and give us a change of character on 15 minutes, we're going to sell from there. As it's on Euro CHF, if you check the Euro CHF daily time frame, you see it's been ranging at this point. Expected this other block here and came down, but seems like heading up again. Let's see if there's another block there. Want to go and respect. This is a change of pattern that happened here, so it might come up to this point to respect to that block and start dumping. Then if you give a change of pattern again on 15 minutes, we can go for it. Now next is the AUD CHF. On AUD CHF daily time frame, you can see market has been buying the whole time, trying to cross over this, and more buys are going to happen. So if you check on the 1 hour, it's not giving a clear structure yet, so let's just wait and see how the week goes. In GBP AUD daily time frame, you can see market respected this other block already and it's making a turn up already. So let's see if there's going to be any clear entry on this yet. There's nothing for today, so just see how the week goes. On GBP card, check the daily time frame for GBP card. Market has been buying the whole time, broke out of this and we test this zone now and it's going to be more buys happening at this point, but there is no clear entry yet. So if you check the 15 minute as well, no clear entry. So if there's a change of character, proper change of character here, we're going to look for a buy from this point. On NZD USD, if you check the NZD USD daily time frame, you can see more buys happening here. It might make a reversal to this point before the buy will continue. So if you look at the 4 hours, on the 4 hours, you can see I already marked this out, waiting for it to come to this point, but it's just moving slowly to that destination. So if you check the 15 minutes, there's no entry yet. We just keep waiting and see how the week goes. On NZD CHF, if you check the daily time frame, it's been ranging at this point. It might respect here before breaking out of this. So if you see on the 4 hours, more sales happening. If it comes to this point, we're going to look for a sell on 15 minutes and push it downward. So let's keep waiting. On Euro JPY, if you check the Euro JPY, you can see market has been buying the whole time. More buy is going to happen. On the 4 hours chart, more buy is happening already, so kind of making a reversal here. Let's see on the daily time frame again. Let's observe what is clearly happening. We just broke out of this, so it might come down to respect it, and if it stops here, come down to this point to respect this zone and keep going up. So we should be looking out for a sell to push it down. You can see there's already a sell happening on 1 hour and 4 hours already. So if market should reverse to this point on 4 hours, this point on 4 hours here, this point here, we should look for a buy or a sell on 15 minutes. If it makes a change of character there, we look for a sell and push it downward. So let's see what's going to happen. On AUD NZD daily time frame, you can see more buys happening here. On the 4 hours, more buys happening. On the 1 hour as well, more buys happening. 15 minutes, there is no clear entry for now. Like I said, today is Monday, so it seems a bit messy for the market. On the NZD card daily time frame, I get to make a reversal to this point and a buy will start happening. So you should look for more sales for now and see. On the 1 hour, you can see more sales happening, but there's no proper entry for us. So we just have to wait. On GBP NZD, check the GBP NZD daily time frame. You can see in GBP NZD daily time frame, market is heading to this direction, so it might make a reversal after when it respects this. So should be looking out for more buys on this pair. Check the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame. More buys happening here on the 1 hour time frame as well, more buys. On the 30 minutes, you can see the more buys are being activated. same way as 15 minutes. So just be patient and see what happens. On Euro NZD, if you check the Euro NZD, if you check the daily time frame, you can see on the daily time frame, market is respected this zone already and is making a reversal down. You see the 1 hour chart, there was no proper change of character on it, so it might still push up. Check the 15 minutes, it's still pushing up, but there's no clear entry. On Euro AUD, if you check the daily time frame on Euro AUD, you can see it's heading to this direction, so expect this and keep pushing up. So if you see on the 4 hours, more sales happening here. On the 1 hour as well, more sell, but there's no clear entry for now, so we just be patient and see what happens. Last but not the least, on the USD CHF, this is CHF on daily time frame, you can see market just respected this and it's already going down. So if you check on the 1 hour, you can see more sales happening, but there was no clear change of character. After change of character happened, you did not respect the other block, it just kept dumping. So it might likely push up and give us more buys ahead. So that will be all for today. See you guys on the next one. Do have a lovely and fruitful week ahead. Bye for now.